to Aiden's size. Well, today we're going to do magic milk. Today we need dish soap. Why did I call it soap? And a Q-tip, food coloring, and milk, and a bowl. A plate or a bowl. Make sure you get an adult to pour the milk. We need to do this purple food coloring. You will always have to just put it in the middle. I'm doing 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, got that one. Now whichever color you like. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that was good. That was cool. Looks like there's getting a black. What? Those are in the wrong spots. Then green, you put 1, 2. That was 2 drops each time. Okay, we got that. Now, last thing, the pink. Well, like last of the food coloring, you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need a Q-tip to get into the soap. Whoa! That was crazy! Then you could do another. That was cool! This is what happens in magic milk. Milk is made out of minerals, proteins, and fat. The soap runs around and tries to catch the fat. This is normally invisible, but the food coloring lets you see it. If you liked this video, make sure to look for more and subscribe for me if you liked it. Bye! If you liked it, watch more of me.